Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Build them on a cookie tray in layers. First tortilla chips, then grated cheese, followed by a 2 or 3 minutes in a very hot oven to quickly melt the cheese on the first layer. Then take it out of the oven and repeat with more layers. Never used canned, pre-sliced black olives. 4 February 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The heat from the nachos turns everything into a gross puddle that drips down and makes the chips soggy, and if you grab the wrong chip, you can be stuck with a big mouthful of sour cream. These wet toppings also end up cooling the nachos down too quickly. 30 January 2015.
Take our lead.
The best melters are cheddar, Monterey Jack, and American cheese, to name a few. If you do choose to make a cheese sauce, which is the best method to make nachos, you'll want to melt your freshly grated cheese on low heat. 9 December 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.